Good morning, students. We are now in lesson 18 of Foundation of Shorthand. For this lesson, you will learn another set of brief forms and the symbol used for word ending ball and the symbol used for word ending meant. Okay, let's have first the brief form. For the brief form end, we have ND, end, PT, part, AV, advantage, SEV, several, EME, immediate, ER, where, AVTIS, advertise, VL, value. Okay, then for the brief form derivatives, PTly, partly, party, PTNR, partner, DPT, depart, AVS, advantages, DSAVS, disadvantages. Okay. If without S, DSAV, disadvantage. And EMED, immediately. VLS, values. AVTIS, ing, advertising. And AVTISES, advertises. Next, for the word ending ball. For word ending ball, we use the letter B symbol. So sample words are AVAL ball, available. POS ball, possible. KAP ball, capable. RELI ball, reliable. FAVR ball, favorable. SENS ball, sensible. TA ball, table. TR ball, trouble. TRBD, troubled. RSN ball, reasonable. CONSEDR ball, considerable. CONSEDR ball, ly, considerably. SOT ball, suitable. VL ball, valuable. DSIR ball, desirable. Okay, so again, we use the letter B symbol for word ending ball. Next, we move to word ending meant. For word ending meant, as in shipment, we use the M symbol. Sample words. Ish, EP, meant, shipment. ST, meant, statement. AVTIS, meant, advertisement. DPT, meant, department. J, meant, judgment. AGRE, meant, agreement. MET, meant, commitment. retirement, retirement. Okay, again, replacement, replacement. Investment, investment. Assignment, assignment. Settlement, settlement. Basement, basement. Payment, payment. Payments, payments. Arrange, meant, arrangement. Again, arrangement, arrangement. And then installment, installment. Attachment, attachment. Okay, so that's it for lesson 18. Again, for word ending meant, we use the M symbol. For word ending ball, we use the B symbol. Then we have here additional brief form derivatives and additional brief forms. Okay. See you in the next lesson.